For those of you who come here online and want to be a counterforce to what Much and Much is doing, and you especially say that, yeah, sending home illegal foreigners won't create jobs, go and look at what some guys are doing in KZN. Pay attention to what they're doing. I just don't remember the guy's name, but it's not Ngizwe or Pagelum, but Pagelum Tagat also does it. I've seen him do it. And I think the other guy is Philem Teen or something like that. They go around all of the companies around KZN, trucking companies, what do you call, small farms, textile businesses. They are going around KZN talking to the employers, removing illegal foreigners without papers and foreigners in general. And they're documenting everything, and they are putting in South Africans, not by the dozens, by the hundreds. They are creating jobs immediately, not tomorrow, not like our government keeps promising and nothing comes. They are ejecting people that are not supposed to be here and putting regular South Africans. Go and watch, follow those actions. You will see how big the impact is. I mean, I always say that a lot of the times, even when you say you're intellectual, you talk without evidence. If you want evidence of how big a movement Much and Much is created, go and watch their videos. Go and watch them remove foreigners from jobs and put in South Africans, regular South Africans. You can't tell me anything about the issue now. They are showing you practically that you can create employment for South Africans on site. Something your government can't do, something your what do you call, your stupid videos can't do sitting at home, all of you saying, yeah, Afrophobia and whatnot and whatnot. It's not going to create employment. They are doing it. Go and watch what they are doing in KZN. They are removing foreigners from companies and putting local South Africans. Watch, follow those videos. I've seen more than 30 videos of them doing that, because obviously the algorithm keeps on showing me more and more videos. Go and watch. The impact is incredible. Like, I don't know, but KZN has the blueprint of what South Africa is supposed to be. They have the blueprint.
Sanibonani sizwe sakithi eSouth Africa. Bafowethu fela emntwini lo, angiqale ngibonga bafowethu uIlakho uMancenza. Amancenza siyabonga ukuthi usikhandele Ilakho. Phinde ngijombe ngibonga usisijesinsa. Sisi dadewethu ayiyobonga emazulwini emntakamama. Bese ngibonga insizwa phakela umthakathi ngizwe Nkosi yesizwe umfazi ogcwele Zoso bafowethu isibindi eningiphe sona singaphezulu kokubonga bafowethu. Bese ngibongela izingane esihamba nazo ukuzoyilekelela zifuna imisebenzi, izibindi eziba nazo ngisho ilambile ziyaqhubeka ihlala. Namhlanje ke bafowethu koLwesithathu lomhla ka17 sitholele abantu abawu63 umsebenzi la Springfield Park. Bazongena nabo kuma comment babonge. Kusukela ngomsombuluko ophelile kuze kuzobe namhlanje sesitholele abantu abawu719 umsebenzi. Shuthi isonto elilodwa elesibili lelesiqalayo. Ngiyathembisa ukuthi yothi phela lenyanga kuphela uJuly cishe bonke abantu abahamba le program esihambayo bazobe sebesebenza bonke.
Ngiyabingelela mbukeli. Nanga umfowethu la incoma umsebenzi omuhle owenziwa iMuch and Much ophakela umthakathi nabofela emntweni ukuthi cha ikwazi Natal leading footprint lana abantu impela amathuba omsebenzi bayawathola impela zoNatal. Bafika efemini bakhipha umuntu wangaphandle ungena umuntu wale South Africa. Impela hayi ikwazi Natal ihamba phambili. Impela hayi nabantu impela siyababona abantu la kwinkundleni zokuxhumana ku TikTok bencoma ukuthi hayi khona nayi mina sengi-applyile ngaqashwa since le mshukumo lo okhona ukuhambisa abantu bangaphandle. Cha abantu be South Africa amathuba omsebenzi bayawathola. Mbukeli ngizacela ukhomente ukuthi uthini wakho umbono ngalolu daba lolu ukuthi cha uma abantu bangaphandle cha amathuba omsebenzi ayavela. Ngabe uyavuma noma uyaphika? Sibonane evidiyo elandelayo, ube nosuku oluhle.